Subscribe to Android Discovery channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The Infinix 08i smartphone is now official in India. It has arrived in the Indian market to rival other mid-range phones priced under Rs 15,000 $203. The major features of the 08i include a high refresh rate display, dual selfie cameras, a gaming-focused mid-range chipset, and fast charging tech. Also, it sports a unique rhombus-shaped camera module for its rear cameras. Infinix 08i specifications and features. The Infinix 08i has a massive 6.85-inch display that produces a full HD plus resolution, a 90 Hz refresh rate, a 20.5:9 aspect ratio, and a 180 Hz touch sampling rate. The phone boots to OS 7-based Android 10 OS and it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The pill-shaped punch hole cutout on the display has a 16-megapixel primary selfie camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The front cameras support AI portrait mode, beautification features, and super night mode. The backside of the device has a 48-megapixel main lens, a 119-degree 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, an AI lens, and a quad-LED flash unit. The rear camera supports super night mode, an ultra-steady video mode that can shoot stable videos with the help of gyroscope and is 4K video recording, and 960 FPS slow-motion video shooting. The MediaTek Helio G90T fuels the device with 8 GB of RAM. The handset has 128 GB of built-in storage and a microSD card slot. Its 4,500 mAh battery is equipped with 33 watts fast charging support. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.